Hello and welcome to Power 4 English Story. In this video, I want to share how I learned English. A few years ago, I found myself in situations where English was essential. Whether it was at work, during travel, or in social settings, I realized that understanding and speaking English would open many new opportunities for me. I knew a few words, but I wanted to understand more, speak more, and connect better. So, I decided to start learning. I decided to take small steps every day. Watching movies with subtitles. I began by watching movies with English subtitles. This helped me learn new words and phrases in context. Watching movies not only made learning fun but also allowed me to pick up the natural flow of the language. I repeated phrases and focused on improving my pronunciation. Over time, I could understand more without relying too much on subtitles, which was an exciting step forward. Reading and writing. Along with watching movies, I also started reading short articles every day. This helped me expand my vocabulary and learn new sentence structures. Whenever I came across a word I didn't know, I wrote it down, looked up its meaning, and practiced using it in sentences. Writing down new words and reviewing them daily helped reinforce my learning. Writing became a great tool to express myself, and I started journaling in English, which further improved my skills. Listening and speaking. To make the most of my time, I also listened to podcasts during my day. Whether I was commuting, cooking, or working out, I made sure to have English audio playing in the background. The more I listened, the easier it became to understand different accents and contexts. This constant exposure to English helped me feel more comfortable with the language. Speaking practice. Speaking was one of the most important parts of my learning journey. I practiced speaking by talking to myself, yes, even in the mirror. It may sound funny, but it helped me get comfortable with forming sentences and speaking without hesitation. I didn't worry about making mistakes, I just focused on expressing myself. The more I practiced, the more confident I became. Slowly but surely, I started noticing progress. One day, I had a full conversation in English at work, and I realized how far I'd come. That moment was a turning point for me. I no longer felt shy or unsure about speaking English. I was excited to use it more often, and I realized that the consistent practice I'd been doing was paying off. Today, English is part of my everyday life. It's not perfect, but I enjoy it. I still make mistakes sometimes, but I don't let that discourage me. The key is consistency, just a little every day. Little by little, the language became easier, and I started feeling more fluent. If I can do it, you can too. Start small, be consistent, and keep practicing. It doesn't matter where you begin, what matters is that you keep moving forward. There will be tough days, but don't let that stop you. Remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. It's okay to make mistakes. Each mistake is just another opportunity to improve. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Like understanding a new word, watching a movie without subtitles, or holding a short conversation in English. Those small wins matter, and they keep you motivated. Surround yourself with English in your daily life. Listen to English music, watch videos, read books, or even follow social media accounts in English. Just keep immersing yourself in the language. The more exposure you get, the more you will pick up naturally. Practice speaking, even if it's just to yourself. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Don't wait for perfect conditions, start wherever you are, and you'll improve over time. Stay curious and keep learning every day. Don't be afraid to explore new things. Whether it's learning new words, understanding a grammar rule, or practicing speaking with someone, every step you take is progress. You don't need to be perfect, just keep improving. Believe in yourself and your ability to learn. Trust the process, and you will see results. Keep going, and you'll see progress. Thank you for watching Power 4 English Story. I hope my journey inspires you to keep learning and improving your English. Remember, learning English is not a race, it's a journey. Celebrate the small victories and stay consistent. If I can do it, you can too. Bell, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more stories and tips on learning English. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.